May. That's how many children have died while under the eye of DCF. And today, Team 6 sat down with the new interim secretary to ask what's being done to prevent more children from losing their lives. Team 6 reporter Diana Gonzalez reports.
3-year-old Dakota Stiles of Vero Beach drowned in a dirty pool July 25th, just 2 weeks after DCF had been called to his home. He is now part of a dozen child deaths under review.
In 25 years of working with the department, we have never seen such a series of deaths. And that is the ultimate indicator of failure of our child protective system here in the state of Florida.
Esther Jacobo has been interim DCF secretary for 2 weeks, and she's examining what went wrong in the deaths of 5 children in South Florida and others across the state. She is focusing on child protective investigators.
It disturbs me that there are things they are not completing that they should complete. And, I feel like we're not, in these cases, we're not gathering all the information that we should be gathering to make the right decisions.
In Broward and a few other counties, child protective investigators actually work for the sheriff's office. Jacobo is looking into whether that's a better system.
I will tell you that I am not sure the data is there that says that there are any less child deaths from law enforcement than there are within DCF. And so before we commit to any of that, we would have to look at that.
Of the 5 local deaths this year, 2 of them were in Broward, Dontrell Melvin and Antoine Hope. In the case of Jaden Villegas Morales of Homestead, 2 agencies failed to protect the child, DCF and Children's Home Society, which managed the case when the boy was placed with his father.
We've learned since, after we've debriefed on the case, that they had concerns about that placement, but I'm not aware of any raised concerns to say the court. There had been 3 court hearings.
In that month?
Yes.
3 court hearings?
Yes.
And never was it suggested that perhaps these kids should not be with the father?
No.
Interesting. That was Diana Gonzalez with that report.